We got a 2022 Porsche Macan. Bacon? Making bacon. We're making the bacon. Don't unsubscribe from my channel due to that stupid joke. All right, we cut off the mufflers over here, ran the pipe, hit them with the quad G exhaust carbon fibre tips. These look good. I like this look a lot. This is gonna sound really, really aggressive just by taking off those mufflers. I think this is how the car should come stock, to be honest with you. Let's see how she sounds. Also, remember, we are franchising now. So if you want to own your own business, your own G exhaust location, look at the video, the links in the description below, and check it out. All right, let's bring it down and hear how she sounds.
Yeah.